Hello and welcome back to The Morning After from Engadget. My name is Matt Smith and each week I take a tour of the biggest and most interesting tech stories of the last 6 to 7 days. This week that includes a new e-ink tablet from Remarkable with colour e-ink, as well as a Tamagotchi literally made of eggs, at least partially, and X is bringing its app to your TVs whether you want it or not. Right, let's get straight into it. So one of the standout e-ink tablets from the last few years is finally getting upgraded. Yes, Remarkable's 3rd gen tablet is its first with a Pro moniker, but it's earned it. Yep, it's an e-paper slate with a stylus or keyboard for reading, writing, or editing your very own documents. The Paper Pro this year has a bigger display, and crucially, it's a color e-ink screen. The tablet has a different look and feel too. It just means it's less like yet another iPad clone. The edge band is sharper, but it's still comfortable to hold, according to our reviewer, Dan Cooper. Now, it's also the first device from the company with a front light, addressing another bugbear of Remarkable owners who were probably pretty mad they spent hundreds of dollars on something that didn't even light up. The Remarkable Paper Pro is available for order now for $579, but be prepared to spend more if you want the Pro stylus, the folio case, the keyboard, and absolutely everything else. Bad news if you're playing the now decade-old new 3DS, because Nintendo has run out of repair parts. Yes, it's announced that it's stopping repairs for the new 3DS, although apparently it does still have some parts available for the 3DS XL and the 2DS. US customers can still ask for Nintendo's repair service for those devices for now. Otherwise, probably a few months or years down the line, you're going to have to source your own third-party fix from companies like iFixit. Bandai has announced that its latest Tamagotchi is made with real recycled eggshells. The Tamagotchi Celebration digital pet is even coloured like an egg, and sure, it's a bit of a throwback. In May, the company re-released Tamagotchi Connection, which was the model with the faux antenna, to celebrate its 20th anniversary. Then, last year's Tamagotchi Uni had Wi-Fi connectivity and gave users access to the Tamiverse. Not made of egg though, was it? The device is already available to pre-order on Amazon for $30. As forewarned earlier this year, the X TV app is now out in beta. You can test it if you have an Amazon Fire TV, Google TV, and even some LG smart TVs, offering full motion video of the inside of Elon Musk's head, I guess. Yes, the beta app currently showcases the small number of original videos on the platform, which is a lot of content from SpaceX, Elon Musk, Tesla, Elon Musk, and Tucker Carlson. Naturally, there should or will be a bigger range of videos when the app comes out of beta, but if you're not a fan of recent X or Musk, I'm sure you're probably long divorced from that social network anyhow. And that was your morning after. Thanks once again for watching. We'll be back next week, presumably with a little bit of a focus on that rumored new iPhone, as well as all of the other biggest, most interesting tech stories of the week. Thanks once again for watching. I really appreciate the comments and the emails. Please keep sending them in. Please keep sharing the video if you think people might enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you this time next week.